Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy Tab Active 5 and let me share with you how to turn off running apps on this device. So all we have to do in order to check all of the opened apps, we have to open the recents. And all you have to do is to simply press this button with 3 bars icon. So let me do it. And as you can see here, we've got all previously opened apps which are saved here. And if you want to, you can close, for example, only one of it or 2 of them. Just find it and swipe it up just like that. But if you want to close all, tap on close all. And we will just go back to the homepage. We can enter the recents to check, and there are no recent items, which means that we just successfully closed all background apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.